Hey, just showing you a cool little website and tool to play around with when you're looking at getting to know graphs in turning point form. I'm here at desmos.com/calculator. It's like a graphing calculator that's a website. I've got an equation in y equals x squared. You can see my parabola there. If I add +1, up it goes. If I add -2, down it goes. But we can have a real little play if you head to this website and put in a general quadratic and turning point form. So there might be a dilation at the front with a, and then you'd have x minus h squared. Come on, whoop, x minus h squared, and then you would have some sort of number on the end. And it's reading this, it knows you want to do a graph and say, you've got all these numbers, maybe they're variables, and you say, yeah, all of them. And it makes these sliders, which are pretty cool. So if they're all one, like we've got a dilation factor of one, whoa, yep. And so it dilates so wide when it's on zero, it's flat, we don't have a parabola. And then so we're getting dilation, and then it dilated so wide it's inside out when we've got negative numbers. So negative numbers have a play. We got left, right, up and down, as you saw on the calculator, but you can do it all by yourself. Yeah, and don't forget the dance. It's translation, dilation, reflection. Enjoy.